Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be talking about flagship killers in 2020 and my favorite basically flagship killer of 2020. And the reason why I consider it as a flagship killer is basically because of the giant price cut. That is the S10 family. I'm going to say the S10, S10e, and S10 Plus. Right now, if you get it renewed on Amazon, you can get it under $500. And that's just a great deal because obviously everybody wants a great phone for a great low price, right? So you're getting this phone that's really good, has a great camera system, great software, great screen, punch hole camera cutout, everything that you could possibly want in a phone for under $500. Now, the reason why I consider this a flagship killer is obviously because of the price cut. If you see new phones that are coming out in 2020 from their last generation's models, it's basically just incremental upgrades. Now, this only really applies to Android phones because Android phones prices do deplete. iPhones, on the other hand, don't. So if you're looking to buy an iPhone, I still recommend buying the latest iPhones. That's just me. But anyways, most Android phones deplete over time when it comes to pricing. So if you just wait like a year for this phone, it'll be half the price. Renewed on Amazon. Now I know it's renewed, but I still recommend it because you still get good quality and it's not bad, and I do recommend it. Now the S10 Plus and the S10 and S10e all have basically everything that you could want for in a phone, and that is why I consider it as a flagship killer, because some of these phones look like they're made for 2020. Like the S10 family looks very high tech and basically above the game when it comes to like looks wise, in my opinion. Like for example, when you see the screen of an S10 family phone and then you compare it to an iPhone X, XS, XS Max, right? It looks so futuristic because of the notch. I mean, that's just me. I might be biased here, okay? So don't go attack me in the comments, but that's just what I believe. And that is why these phones can basically look better than the phones that might come out in 2020 and maybe even outperform them. Now, they probably will be going down in price even more and more considering they are getting older. So if you guys do want to wait, you can, but I do recommend buying them whenever you get the chance because they're great phones and I do definitely recommend them. But if you want a Google phone, I also recommend the Pixel 3 family. It's also gone down in price. I do believe it's around $350 at the moment. I might be wrong, but yeah, I'll leave a link to these phones down in the description. And those are the phones that I think are basically flagship killers of 2020. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. I know this was a short one, but I just wanted to go over some thoughts that I had in my mind. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, it would mean a lot to me if you could like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.